Today is Tuesday and we're gonna go to Karuizawa.
Olha que coisa mais linda, mais cheia de graça. É
Toilet break.
menina que vem e que passa num doce balanço, caminho do mar. Moça do corpo dourado do sol.
Guys, we made it to Karuizawa. Listen to the sounds of nature. Here's today's outfit. Today we're gonna have lunch outside and then we're gonna go frolic around at 1 p.m. We're gonna go head to the library and then study for the whole day. So I have my human geo exam on Friday while my mom makes breakfast and be setting up the table and chairs. Breakfast. Hey, Dutch. Hey guys, we're headed to the rose garden. Hannah is currently running towards the car because she's sad that Nicole shotgun. We're back in the car after a hard day of studying. And the sky is looking beautiful. Dinner! Baby fun! Rate. What? A little pad time. With a strong wind. What are we doing today?
Study.
Hannah and I are gonna go to the library from like near future, and then we're gonna be studying for the whole day. Where's Chipo going? You may ask. He's gonna be sitting in the car with my mom. Mama, she just went to
Kokorade Bakery.
Very much recommend free coffee.
すごくいい眺め。浅間山も見えるよ。And ワンコ OK。
Now we're headed to dinner at Surutonta and we're gonna have some udon. Yay! 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 Hi, Chibo-kun! Hurry! I mean, curry. We just finished dinner. What do you rate it, Hannah?
I rate it like a solid 8 out of 10. Although
I'd say like a 9.
Kind of like, I'm kind of mad that they got rid of our OG udon, ebiten udon.
Yeah.
It has a specific shape to the udon and specific
the
fry to it.
Used to
And
be
it's
so fat.
literally, yeah, and now it's
Just look
like
at the
this
sunset.
regular schmegular.
Our whip. We're headed out.
Chipo!
Chibo really wants to come to the front, so he's on my shoulder. Today is Sunday, May 26th, and we're back in Karuizawa. Here's Chipo in the background. He escaped from the house. Today we're just gonna be relaxing, and I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner. And then tomorrow I'm gonna have dinner with Maiko and Maria. I haven't seen them since October last year. I don't know what we're gonna do the day after, but we'll see. Today I'm wearing the shirt that I made for me, Isabella, and Hannah's 18th birthday. And then some shorts, but it's a little cold, so. Oh, and those are my slippers. I think I'm gonna change into my Tokyo sweatshirt and jeans probably.
Se você disser que eu desafino amor, saiba que isto em mim provoca imensa dor. Só privilegiados têm ouvido igual ao seu. Eu possuo apenas o que Deus me deu.
Cafe was closed. Dinner. They don't have what we want. Next. Turns out it was full from reservations, so on to the next.
Vou te contar, os olhos já não podem ver coisas que só o coração pode entender. Fundamental é mesmo o amor, é impossível ser feliz sozinho. O resto é...
Today is Monday, May 27th, and we're going to be going to Cabot Cove.
双子ピーナッツ。これ母の日にもらった可愛いでしょ。
From me. And here's my outfit. We're going to Cabot Cove right now. We're here. Last order is at 11:30 and it's like 11:20 right now, so hopefully it's open. We made it. This is our table. Look at this beautiful mom. And I'm gonna go get Chipo. Pancakes. And then my mom got eggs Benedict. And Chipo's waiting. Finished. Kanshaku. No, kanshaku. I left a bit of butter. Butterfly.
Cantinho, violão, esse amor, uma canção pra fazer feliz a quem se ama. Muita calma pra pensar e ter tempo pra sonhar. Da janela ver seu corcovado, o Redentor, que lindo. Quero a vida sempre assim, com você perto de mim, até o apagar da velha chama.
欲しいものがあったら。はい。
Here's our food. Here's Mama's coffee. We're sitting outside with the view of the mountain, but it's so cloudy that we can't see. We're eating our churro and
エプリコットチーズケーキみたいな。
now we're heading home and then we're gonna drop Chipo off and then we're gonna go to Isaac to pick up Maiko and Maria and then we're gonna go to Harunire Terrace and have dinner. We're at Isaac. We're gonna meet up with Maria and Maiko and I'm gonna go find them. Right now we're walking to dinner.
We're trying to find a place, but we're gonna get ice cream, no gelato.
We're at Samura. Bread. We got bolognese. Are you excited for your food?
I'm so excited. So hungry.
We just finished dinner. How was dinner?
It was so good. It was yummy.
How was
The bread was so good.
We're just relaxing,
Yeah.
taking it some time with the frogs. She's scared of frogs.
Really afraid.
But it's so beautiful.
I want to come here all the time.
Actually. Bye bye! We're going home today. We were gonna stay until after like maybe around noon, but since it's raining, we just decided to have breakfast and then head out. Here's Mama. She's on the run. We're at Nikuriya. We both got the onigiri gozen. Itadakimasu. So we just finished breakfast and now we're headed home.